Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to report a post in Parler. So let's get started and open Parler mobile application. Now we'll go to discover some news to get a post for an example for this video. Let's just say that we'll report this post. It's about golf or something, it doesn't really matter. Now, to report a post, you have to tap on this little arrow icon next to a post that you are going to report. And from this list of options, you have to pick report. From there, you can choose many different reasons for reporting this post, such as sensitive content, IP or trademark violation, threats, incitement, or illegal something, I guess. It doesn't say anything. Unsolicited advertising or child-related crime. Down there you have to provide details about your report, and let's just, for example, choose unsolicited advertising and write the I don't know. And in the end you have to click on this submit button right there. We are not going to do that because this post probably doesn't break any rules whatsoever, but believe me, when you click that button, your report will be sent, and then the post probably will be deleted if it breaks any rules on Parler. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Goodbye.